Hi everyone. Several years ago I did a world record, and only recently, thanks to Greg Gilmartin, I was able to get the full footage back. And there's somebody who I really look up to that is going through a hard time right now, and her name is Jean Millington. Jean was in the first all-female rock band Fanny, and in about a few moments I'm going to show you guys the world record I did several years ago. Originally I did it for the Terry Broder Breast Cancer Foundation, but I hope this can help with Jean's progress and help with any of the funds that she needs. So if you could please donate, I'm sure she'd really appreciate that, and I hope you enjoy the world record.
And done. Very exciting. And here we are in New London, Connecticut, and the car weighs a little under 2,700 pounds. So to bring it up to 3,000 pounds, what are we going to be doing?
Oh, we're going to be adding the driver here.
Okay, so the driver here is your trainer.
My trainer, Gabe Glaza.
From the old school
iron.
And hello. Hey there, big fella.
How you doing, Marilyn?
So, Gabe, how much do you weigh?
Around 300 pounds or so.
Wow, so we're adding the 300 pounds, so that's going to bring the total up to 3,000 pounds,
correct,
approximately, for this world record attempt. So, how do you think this guy's going to do? Is his trainer and friend?
I think he's going to do well. We've been coming out here about 2 days a week for the past probably 3 months or so. In addition to doing work in the gym, he's been doing the leg press and a lot of cardio work. We've been out here, and he's pulled the car as far as 1.25 miles in the past successfully. And it's more about the cardio conditioning than the strength, really. He's got plenty of strength, but it's the sustained pull for a mile with 3,000 pounds strapped to your back. It kind of takes a toll on you from a cardio aspect. But he's been training hard, doing well. He's lost about 20 pounds in the process.
Yeah,
he can fit in his tights, and I think it's going to go well. The only questionable aspect is his foot, and we'll just have to kind of take it as it comes. We'll get going and see how it feels. It may kind of feel better and loosen up as we get going. That's the hope, at least. So we're ready to do it.
So we're ready. All right, we've got a crowd of people here watching. Are we ready? Yeah! All right, so here we go, everybody.
Dance, move, stand, move, move to darkest of all our nights so far. After all this work we've done, we've climbed so high. And you know, we're all in this together, calling the ones who have come before. Keep the doors wide open, wide open. She comes when we need her. She comes when there's need. Calling on our sisters and mothers and daughters. She is you, she is me. And she comes, she comes, she comes. See your faces show up, yeah, now we know. We are stronger than we are alone. We are one. Don't you know? We're all in this together, calling the ones who have come before. And the world breaks open, it's wide open. And she comes when we need her. She comes when there's need. Calling on our sisters and mothers and daughters. She is you, she is me. And she comes, she comes, she comes. Hey, hey, yeah. The world changes in the smallest ways. We won't fade, we're the change. We are here on this day. This is a promise to you, a promise we made. She comes when we need her. She comes when there's need. Calling on our sisters and mothers and daughters. She is you, she is me. Yeah. She comes when we need her. She comes when there's need. Calling on our sisters and mothers and daughters. And she
Well, is that good enough for you? Don't tell us we can't play like girls.